Okay, variance. I just don't like this. Sana walang ganito. Kasi it reminds me of Ma'am Trina. But anyway, forget that. Yung first step dito is finding the mean. What's the mean? Well, it's just the average of all of these. And to find the average, we just sum them up, or to like add them up, in other words, and then we divide it by how much terms there are. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unit, 6 what is this called? 6 terms, and then we divide the sum of this by that. So i-add mo natin siya para makita nyo. 1 plus 3 plus ano yun? 5 plus 7 plus 14 plus 100. 130 divided by 6, we get 21.6666 la 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 la. Okay, so that's our mean. 21.66 la 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 la. We don't write 21.67. No, that's bawal. Kasi kapag dito pa lang, never tayo mag-round up. Kasi kapag nag-round up tayo, mag-amplify yung pagka-round up natin. Kumbaga, like pagdating sa dulo, baka magkakaiba na tayo. Hindi lang sa decimal magkakaiba, pero sa mismong sagot na. So, as much as possible, try not to round up. Okay? So, now, ito yung mean natin. And sabi dito, sa second tables to, or rows, or columns, or I don't know, we minus the mean from this term. So 1 minus 21 point blah blah blah, we get negative 20 point kung gaano man karami yan. And then dito 3 3 minus 21 point we get 18, and so on, and like just tuloy-tuloy lang. What is this? 14, and then 7, and then 100 minus 21 point, ganun, nakakatamad. 100 minus 21.6, mas maganda, mas marami para accurate. 78.3. So 78.3, 3, etc. Now square lang natin siya. And kapag ka naka-square, tandaan, walang negative dito. Walang negative dito. Walang negative na kasi ito square natin yan. Okay? Always remember. Kapag may negative dyan, magkakamali-mali ka. So, just remember that. Okay, so now, we square it. 20 point times 20 point. We get 427.11111. Okay, the more the decimal, the better, para mas accurate. Then we get 18 point times 18 point, we get 348.44. Now 16.6 naman. 16.6 times 16 times 16.6, we get 277.777, etc. And then 14.6 times 14.6, we get 215.11111, and then 7.6 times 7.6, we get 58.777, and then 78.3 times 78. We get 6,136.1111. Okay. Daw pala sinabi ko na kahit mag-fast forward na kayo kasi ang boring siguro panoorin yun. But anyway, now you can imagine how boring this is kasi paulit-ulit tayo ng ginagawa. But then what we do is we just sum all of this up to get the population variance. Ay, wait now. Hindi pa pala. Just to get the number we need to get the population variance rather. Okay? So, ipag-plus-plus natin to. Fast forward na lang kayo kung ayaw niya panoorin yung pain sa pagta-type ng paulit-ulit na number. Plus 277 po. 77 plus 215.1 plus what? 58.7 plus 6136. Okay, so nakuha natin 7463.333 etc. Pero hindi pa rin tayo dito magra-round up kasi hindi pa ito yung final answer. Now, dito pa lang natin. Kasi hindi ko alam kung wala akong sinabi kung hanapin ba natin dito yung population variance or sample variance. So, let's just find both. So, to find the, tawag dito, the population variance, isa-sum up mo lang to or i-add mo sa lahat and then i-divide mo siya by the total number of terms. So, 6 to. So, we divide it by 6. And kung ano yung sagot dyan, yan yung natin. Yan yung population variance. Ito, yung 1.248 ay 1.243.888 etc. And then yung natin, sample variance is just n-1, diba? So, ma-minus natin ng 1 dito sa baba. And then, yeah, we divide it. Which gives us 1.49266. And then, dito pa tayo magra-round up pag nakuha natin to. So, dito nakuha natin dito ay 1.243.89. Since round up natin yung mga 8. And kasi ang sign kapag population sigma squared ganyan, diba? So yung natin population variance, and for the sample variance natin it's 1.492 ay 1,492 rather and 0.67. Yan. Okay? Ganyan. Straightforward lang naman tong variance so long as alam mo yung ginagawa mo. Okay? Yung just remember na yung mean mo ay yung sum neto at saka yung sum divided by kung gaano karaming terms dyan. And dito dapat wala negative, sabay kapag dito ka nagsusulat damihan mo ng decimal. Okay, sa very last palang magra-round up. Yun lang yung mga kailangang tandaan dito sa variance, and good luck sa atin tomorrow. I hope we can cook that exam.